Pasta Crudiola Gusto style. Pasta alla Crudiola Gusto style is easy, quick, healthy, and surprisingly delicious. The fresh flavors of the uncooked greens and tomatoes are made vibrant by the zing of raw garlic and the tang of the Parmigiano cheese. Ingredients for 2 people. Pasta 200 grams. Cherry tomatoes 15 or a ripened large tomato. Extra virgin olive oil. Garlic ½ clove. Salt and pepper. Grated Parmigiano 4 tablespoons. Rocket a small bunch. Parsley a small bunch. Wash tomatoes, parsley, and rockets. Bring the water to a boil. In the meantime, cut the tomatoes into small pieces, chop the rocket and parsley, and put them together in a large bowl. Add the chopped garlic clove, just 1 tablespoon of parmesan, salt, pepper and oil. Mix carefully. Now cook pasta in boiling water according to the cooking time indicated on the pasta package. Put 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of the hot pasta water into a small saucepan. Add the remaining Parmigiano cheese, and mix well. Drain the pasta, pour into the saucepan and mix gently. Then, pour it again into the same bowl you have used to prepare the sauce and spread the previously prepared Parmigiano cheese mixture on top. Serve and eat immediately. Buon Appetito. Tips. If you like chilies, you can add some to the vegetables. Instead of parsley you can use fresh basil, chives, or other herbs as you like.